Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're doing a check-in on the Makgeolli. We are 27 days into the fermentation and it's still cooking, still fermenting. I've got my stir stick. This is going to be my second stir for today. It smells extremely fruity. Still got a lot of the banana notes. It's smelling really good. So it's still bubbling. If it wasn't too much of a pain in the neck with the camera that I got, I would show you the inside, but I may try to do that once I get it stirred. But taking a stir stick, like I said, it has been properly sanitized. There we go, it's going. I mean, it's still bubbling as I stir. But I will show you what's on the stir stick once I pull it out. Something I have found with this is, even though I have a bubbler on the top here, I still have to leave the lid loose, simply because there's so much gas coming out that if I tighten the lid down, the gas has pressurized it and it still makes it a pain to get off. Like I said, we'll give it a good stir, get everything moved around. My banana bits are all been dissolved or eaten by the yeast. This is real gelatinous, or not gelatinous, liquidy now. It had been gelatinous for a while. Like I said, I'll show you the stir stick. So we'll get it all over the floor. But you can see on the stir stick, and hopefully you can see it, that the rice is, I mean, it's dissolved down to almost nothing. Like I said, I cheated and used a long grain rice and the analase enzyme, the glucoanalase enzyme, as opposed to the Naruk. Give one last good stir. And like I said, it smells, I mean, it's fruity smell. You get the banana notes. It's coming along nicely. It's, like I said, it's still bubbling and percolating real good. So maybe in about a week or so, we'll be able to pull the rice out and have the Makgeolli ready to drink. Until next time, peace, good brewing, love.